You have to turn it back on. I guess I'll be defenders first. Let's get this show on the road. Top floor only. Top floor only. Wait, no, what? You lagged out. No, I can't use Maru. Who am I gonna play? Who am I gonna play? Tell me that you're stream sniping without telling me you're stream sniping. Blood said, I know. Yes, I am. What the Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Unless if you turn on your thing. If you turn on your thing. Oh, I didn't. I didn't. That's my bad. That's my bad. Where is Tarddawg? Where is Tarddawg?
10 seconds left.
Okay, so can't listen to music while showering, so I'm gonna put it charge.
Blood needs a phone.
Yeah,
Op 4 has
Nice.
located a
my
bomb.
music.
Be ready for
I'm
hostile
surprised
action.
you're not playing. Cause on me, I'm looking here to listen to Tyler album while like freaking showering. I'm gonna be digging my crack while listening to tell me what it is.
What the hell?
Perfect. Oh yeah.
Dom, I dare you. Come take this 1v1. Come take this 1v1. Take this 1v1 right here.
Oh, hell no!
Oh my, what's the lag?
Peek then, peek.
No, I'm scared, dude.
Yeah, exactly. Shit, I'm not using Jose.
Yo, why are we using Valk, dude?
Why is this? Hmm. Oh,
And
for
I
a
never
fact,
did.
you have utility. You have utility.
That's not a headshot, hello?
Lock.
Who are we playing?
I don't know. He plays it for some reason and doesn't use his ability.
I know,
I'm
I don't know
using
who
his
he's
ability as we
playing.
speak.
Oh, well, you have to press X to track. So like
That
that
reloaded.
doesn't help you.
You said press X. That reloaded.
You have to look at the footsteps, stupid.
Oh, play Jackal.
Why are you playing this operator if you don't know how to use the ability?
Why are you playing Jackal,
I'm trying
my
to
brother?
learn. I was
So
gonna
1v1 locked in.
Screw it. Push.
Hey Dom, I like that pre-play smash yourself.
Huh?
I like that pre-play. Hey, I want to go back and press X. I don't think that's yours.
The fact that you let me get that off is insane. No, god damn it.
Locate the diffuser. Destroy it.
That's why I let you get it off.
Kill Loki, kill him, nice, I'm not gonna lie.
The diffuser has been destroyed.
I
Oh,
could
no,
have.
no, I know what I did wrong here. I know what I did wrong here. I know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong.
You know you did wrong there.
You
I
didn't
understand
Sure
now.
you do, bud. I understand now. I understand it now. I understand it now.
know you just said that.
I understand it now.
Wait, are we
I don't know who to play.
Wait, are we lying?
I don't know who
Wait,
to
are we lying
play.
loading or not?
No.
Okay.
No, it's only second floor.
I guess I'll be annoying then.
You know what? You know what?
You're good.
What do you mean I'm cooked? Should I
He's
not use
black.
the up? What?
It gives you an obvious answer to which our brother playing. He's a dark man.
He's a dark
I'm
skinned
a
man.
big black.
Yeah, it's Lamai, dumbass.
We need to
Wait, is it
What if I
Lamai
told
or
you I was what it? It's Omai. I don't even know how you pronounce that.
I.
All I'm gonna say though, Miles, is I may or may not be using Clash.
No, I don't. I do not care genuinely.
This is like two AIs one-v-one each other.
No, I have to switch job.
you know that was the luckiest drone shot of your life.
10 seconds before insertion.
Dude, mouse
Fuck
is
you,
hacked, but I swear.
What do you mean?
5 seconds before insertion.
Okay. So I'm concerned for what I'm gonna do because I hate defense.
Location and defuse it.
Defense.
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 Who's smart play down? Oh, Dom, you know who Miles is, bro. He's not gonna be doing off the ass.
You never know.
We're bombed. Oh my god.
What do you mean?
Just strong. Just continue to drone.
I know.
Cyclone. It hurts because you can see people through walls, so it hurts when you know what they
Yo, how do you have multiple drones? This is some bullshit. Wait, that means you're playing Twitch. I knew it.
Or no, I actually saved this drone.
I hear you, Twin. The fact that I missed that shit is insane.
Oh.
Ah, damn it!
4 eliminated.
Don't say slam because we have the same dumbass idea.
I was like, bro, who could I use that you wouldn't like think that I would use? I could get away with. I'm like,
I don't have as much like utility as him.
bro, you could
Whatever,
use
though.
whoever you want.
Who has?
Should I be annoying? Kevin, should I be annoying? Should I be annoying? Should I be annoying? I like this strat though. You know that's gonna be good.
Shit,
You
smoke this, drink this.
see,
down this shit, hey.
I have an idea though. I have
I
an
don't even need to drop
idea.
it off the down, homies.
What is that site you're using?
Yeah, you like it, you like it, you
No,
like it, you
why
like
do
it.
you use that site?
Wait, what size is he using?
He's using the freaking circle one with the freaking.
Guys,
I found your
Located a
bitch.
bomb. Protect it.
yo, from where?
That's funny. Holy, oh goddamn it.
10 seconds left.
Guys, I think he knows who I'm playing.
Seven.
Down to 5 seconds.
Why? I can't do that.
Bomb located by op.
You like this strat, Kevin? Kevin, you like this strat?
Yeah, but why that site is just pissing me off on that side.
We have.
Yo, Miles, shut the hell up. I can't hear. You know what? I'm turning Turn volume all the way back up.
So why can I not turn the corner?
Your game.
Cheetah. Hang on, wait. I'm gonna just do this. No, wait, no. I need to save it. I knew it.
Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
Why did it say wait? A shotgun. Hey,
I know.
Shotgun.
What?
You can't play
is-
shotgun.
That's not
It is.
It is a shotgun.
Kevin, you never said anything about
Yes,
me.
he did. He said you can't play shotgun at the beginning.
No. Yeah. He said not being able to play shotgun.
That is a shotgun.
But Kevin never told me that I couldn't use him that, like, he never said anything about the operator I was playing.
Shotgun and I just looked
Freaking
past it.
hate you, bro. Yeah. You know what? Let me use this. This is really stupid. Just let me cook here.
You know what? I'm gonna make you wanna end your life after this one.
Already do it, done. You can't fix the you can't possibly make the damage worse.
Kevin, look what I'm playing.
We need to locate a bomb.
Alright.
Look, you do a 2v1 me versus you guys.
Yo, we're doing
That'd be light work.
That'd be
Miles, I think
light
that's- Miles, I think that's Roman.
Oh wait, oh yeah, you wait. He can't go into second for. Alright then.
No, you can't do first floor. You can't go to. Why?
Wait, is Miles first floor?
Kevin, you know what I'm saying? No, wait, get it down.
10 seconds.
Miles, why are we playing first floor?
I'm not.
He's trying to
in
run
5
the floor
seconds.
downstairs.
No, I thought no. That's not what I was doing.
Your mission is to locate
I
and
didn't
defuse
mean
the bomb.
to do it.
Oh, that's what that does. Okay.
I probably barricade this.
Somebody my homework. I'll be back.
But you gotta take a shower too.
Yeah, well, my phone's not. My phone's like dead, so I'm waiting for it to charge.
Hello? Hello?
You have located a bomb. Op 4 eliminated.
Where is everyone? Where is everyone at? Where is this rig eclipse at? Where is Ankh at? Cooking with Ankh. Cooking with Ankh. Cooking with Ankh. Cooking with Ankh. Ankh,
Secure
what
the
are
area.
we
Keep the bombs
doing?
protected.
That brother is indeed floating. Go here. Here.
Bomb location compromised. Plan accordingly.
Whoa.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to insertion. Bomb located by Op 4.
What happened?
Cooking with Unk. Cooking with
What's going
Unk.
on, chat?
Why'd you join?
Chat, I'm back.
Why'd you join Unk's party though?
Dude, where is this kid Miles?
Aiden, I mean, Dom, why'd you join Unk's stream again?
Hold up, let me lock in. Fuck.
Nasty motherfucker. Your bitch ass out here, cuh. Your bitch ass out here, cuh.
Hell no.
You know what? I'll come to you. I'll come to you then. Whatever. Hey, bud.
Yeah, no, I knew it was, but I didn't fucking care. So I'm playing gay like that. I'll use Swan on you since I'm up 4-0.
What is Juan?
The pistol about.
Oh. Scared
You
it.
dissing Juan like that?
No fucking shit. No fucking shit, dude.
Fucking slammed by Juan.
Bitch, you didn't even see me!
It's just, that's how
I was
powerful
aiming
Juan
head
is.
level. I was aiming head level.
Juan's that powerful, bro.
All you have to do is aim head level, bro, and Juan got. Hey, Kevin, you like what play?
No,
Kevin,
that's
you like
cheating.
what
That's
play?
a shoot up.
Yo, that's some bullshit. Yo,
Dude,
Dom, I haven't
I don't know what
played,
you-
I haven't played an actual
Locate
Siege
a
match
bomb.
in like 5 days. Not even funny.
uh-huh,
Not even no cap.
uh-huh.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Uh-huh,
You know what? I'm
uh-huh,
gonna carry good though.
uh-huh,
I'm gonna carry. My last Siege match was yesterday, but before that, I didn't play for
Dude,
3 days.
I fucking, bro, you thought you were me playing Yana, bro.
Yeah, I did.
Alright, so we're playing Alibi.
Should we do a 2v1 against each other?
Alright, we're playing Alibi. Hey, bud.
Alibai's gun
Oh,
is
that's
low-key
some
crack.
bullshit. That's some bullshit.
That
You
is some
didn't hit me.
bullshit,
That's some bullshit.
That's some bullshit, God.
5
Damn.
seconds.
Dude, why were you? Dude, I was aiming at your head, bro. That's what Kevin taught me to do. He said aim head level.
at my head while I was squatted, okay? That's not no.
Yeah.
Dude,
not-
Kevin taught me.
He saw you
Kevin literally
crouching,
taught-
So he just aim head level. That's how you.
Man,
That's
just
how
some
you do
bullshit.
it. Oh, how are you a higher level than I still haven't learned that? I'm gonna be honest.
Cause I haven't had a teacher like you, Kevin. Teach me.
But I fucking.
Teach me your ways,
All you have to do is fucking play with me, bro, and I'll give you tips. That's literally it.
Dog,
Right,
where
like
is
you're
this
playing
kid?
Grow a Garden. And you don't want to play Horde-ians.
Alright, so we're playing right there.
Go Kuma.
Oh, well, fuck.
Oh, you mother!
Chad, did I get you with that one?
That's a headshot! That's a headshot! What? 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 What?
Oh,
Dude.
7-0 you.
Oh, fuck this. Fuck this game.
Dude, I was 7-0 Kevin as well, bro. Like,
Or you would not.
I don't care anymore. I'm done. I can't do this. Who has a frag, bro?
He's gonna put. Hey, I'll let you play any operator you want, including the ones that are banned.
No, because I don't have any of the ones that are banned.
Miles, you not
Secure
buy
the area. Keep the bombs
operators?
I
protected.
do buy operators. I don't play the game enough to have that much renown.
Whoops,
I
wrong
have
thing.
to buy literally all of them because I don't play with Game Pass.
Bro, you should save up for like R6. You can just buy for. John, we need to gift them actual R6 so you can have like a little
Op 4 has
something back.
located a bomb. Be ready for assault.
Oh no, he found bomb. He
And
found
didn't you say
bomb.
you're gonna give
No.
Miles?
Maybe I haven't got paid since then.
What do you mean since then? I thought you asked for your money early.
My job doesn't pay me till
10 seconds left.
Friday.
You don't have a job. You're unemployed.
5 seconds.
That's the best way you can be.
It's the best way you can.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Bitch ass. I can't handle this. I can't handle this anymore.
Shot you.
Op 4 mission successful.
Guys, do I win? Did I win? Yo, hey Miles, GG's, right? GG's. Hey Miles, GG's, GG's.